everybody, welcome back. Hope this is your second time here today. Out of a magazine I found, jammed into a cookbook, I have Yum Yum bars. So, we're going to do Yum Yum bars today. So first off, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We're good. So this, I don't know what year this is from. It's from November 2006 magazine of Chatelaine, whatever that is. I have no idea. And it was made by a woman in Manitoba who submitted this from her family recipe. So we're going to see how good they are. First off, we've got a bowl. We need 1 1/4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. So today I prepped a bit before this, and we'll see how that goes instead of measuring everything. We have 1 1/4 cups of flour. And it says 2 1/4 cup of packed, as you can see, packed brown sugar. Okay, using a fork, I need a fork. Stir, mixing the sugar with the flour. Okay. Work in 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Work in unsalted butter. So I'm just going to put in a few chunks. I don't know if there's a better way to do this, or you just use your hands. I'm going to put all the butter in until we get a ball of batter. Take an 8-inch pan, already pre-buttered it, and we're going to put this in here, and then spread out that base and press down. Try to get it even. So once this oven's preheated, we're going to bake this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes till it's lightly golden. It's finally heated up to our 350. Forgot to put this on because whatever happens, we're eating it. So we have the crust. I'm going to put it in the middle. 15 to 20 minutes. So next is, while we're baking that, small bowl. We have 2 tablespoons flour. Okay. Sorry, I have to get my glasses because I can't read this other one. I didn't put the amount in, even though I know it. Okay. 2 tablespoons of flour. Salt, we need 1/2 teaspoon. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder. Running low on baking powder. Baking powder. Sip of coffee. we have all that put together, we just get a little mixture going. Tiny mixture. Okay. In a larger bowl, I hope this is big enough, we have 2 eggs. Uno. Duo. I need a whisk. Oh, God. Whew. Workout. Okay, stir in sugar. So we have another 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar. Ooh. 1.5 cups of brown sugar. And stir in sugar and vanilla. How much vanilla do we need? 1.5 teaspoons. So we got un. Two. Okay. Teaspoons. Okay, it says to stir with a wooden spoon. Ooh, this is gelatinous looking. The eggs. Huh. Just mixing this to get any lumps out. Coconut, a 1/2 cup. Stir that in. This is going to be the topping. Hope you have a sugar tooth or a sweet tooth. As I mentioned before, I'm type 2 diabetic, so this stuff looks great. Eating this stuff is what makes you type 2 diabetic. Okay, there. We have 1/2 cup of chopped maraschino cherries. Okay. Okay. So you can also add nuts here, walnuts or whatever. I don't like nuts, so I'm not putting them in. But you can add another 1/2 cup of walnuts, almonds, whatever you wish. Peanuts, whatever. Add your flour mixture back. Clean these sides up a bit. Okay, that's our mixture. And that's it for the topping mixture. Now we just have to wait 7 more minutes. Have to wait 7 more minutes for our pastry. Board. Okay, nice brown. Okay, so that was in 18 minutes in my oven, but it says 15 to 20. But I did 18. So now we pour this over top. Spread it out. Okay. Now 20 to 30 minutes at 350 still. Put this back in. Ooh. And we're going to cook this until the topping is a little golden. I don't know how you tell golden. It's almost golden now. But jiggly, a little jiggly. So I'm going to put that in for 20 minutes. And we'll check it then. It says 20 to 30, so we'll go 20 just to check it. 23. That's all there is to this one. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Comes back. See you in 23 minutes. Okay, we're back. Take that out of the oven. Whoa. All right. Soft. Okay. Remove to a rack to cool at least 1 hour before cutting into bars. Okay, so we're gonna move this over to the rack. Okay, and that's Yum Yum bars. Come on back and we'll do a taste test when I cut the bars up. So we're gonna wait an hour and we'll be back. So if we go one, or cut it in the middle, and then oh, I can hear the sugar in there. I think my knife needs to be a little wet. Oh, I don't think it'll come out of this pan very well. Okay, get a fork. All right. I'm missing part of the crust, but all right. So this is the Yum Yum bars. They smell good. I'm not going to taste that because I know. This is Yum Yum bars. So this was the crust that broke. But I'm going to try the crust first. Oh man. That crust tastes like a shortbread cookie. Wow. Like a brown sugar shortbread cookie. Just melts. I can't wait for this. Cherries. Cheers. Wow. It's diabetes waiting to happen. Oh God, so good. Just melts. You get a crunch to it from the bottom, and you get that coconut and that real thickness of like a butter tart, and the cherries and coconut in it. Everything comes out. Wow. Huh. It just caramelizes in your mouth. That might be that might be my new number one. Wow. Wow. And like I said, you can add almonds, walnuts, peanuts, whatever you want in there. Chopped walnuts, cherries, and unsweetened coconut. So yeah, you want to add nuts or take the cherries out. I'd suggest to leave the cherries in. It gives that a different little kick to it. Wow. They're incredible. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you try these yum yum bars. You can try it yourself, see what you think. Anyway, see you next time.